Hello everyone, welcome back to Pixel Village and I'm Radhakrishnan. Today's video is about audio. Well, as you can see, we are filming with the Nikon D850. The video is of an extremely high quality, but the audio is not. And I'm sure by now you already have noticed it and you must be also wondering what it is about. Well, if that's the case of a DSLR, an expensive one that is, what will happen to audio recorded with a mobile phone? Well, the other option is to use your headphones, but then you will always have one umbilical cable kind of, running between the mobile phone and yourself. The option number 2 is to use, let's say, a USB mic, which definitely will give you a better quality audio. But what if you want to keep the phone away from you and shoot a really wide angle shot, which means the phone has to be really far away from you? What happens to the audio then? Audio will sound different because the mic is still attached to the mobile phone, which means recording a good quality audio with a DSLR or with a mobile phone can be challenging at times. But not any longer. Sennheiser has a solution called the memory mic. So here it is, Sennheiser memory mic. Now I'm trying to vlog through this mobile phone and I'm using a Moza Mini S gimbal along with it. Well, the only difference is I cannot use the mobile phone camera nor the Moza Mini S app to run this. I have to download the Sennheiser memory mic app, both Android and iOS compatible, from the Play Store or the iOS store. Setting up is very easy. First, you need to pair the device and the camera, and once it is paired, you can continue recording. It will always remain on for hours as long as the battery lasts, and you can continue recording audio for that full 4 hours. First, let's walk around and take some vlogging style video. We're not very good at it, but let's try. So what you're seeing behind me is a big bundle coming up, and they are getting ready. Rather, we are getting ready to celebrate the Ganesh festival. So let's go nearby and see what they are doing. We are inside, right in the middle of the pandal, and they've just erected only the structure, and all these colorful clothes which are behind us is going to go to the ceiling, and that is the stage. In a week's time, this place, like I said, will be buzzing with activity. But unfortunately, we cannot wait because we have something else to do today. This video has to get out and reach to you. So let's be happy with what we have at this point to show to you. Let me also use the rear camera and vlog so you see my point of view. So let me switch to the rear camera, and these are those colorful clothes which are ready to go up onto the ceiling and probably to the side of the pandal. And we have a beautiful sky today. Well, the building on the left is the one which is coming up, and of course this is the one which is already occupied. Let me just walk around. I want to show you something very interesting about this memory mic. Let's get to one comfortable spot, stop and show you what it is. Now, that interesting thing is that this microphone need not necessarily be sitting here. It can be here, it can be here, it can be there, which is outside, the screen. And can you hold Aditya? Just hold it there, hold it lightly and face it towards me, and I can still be talking to you and get good quality audio. So you will actually start wondering, where is the device sitting? Now, if I had a pocket, I could have comfortably put that into my pocket too. But this is the most desired position. So maybe Sennheiser can, like mobile phone covers, Sennheiser can think of giving some color accessories like 6-7 different color options for this microphone, which would make it a little more interesting. Because, if I had a blue one, it would have gone well with my shirt. A black would have gone very well with this shirt, but those color options would have definitely worked. But I can also work like this. I'll still get very good quality audio because of the way this mic is constructed. It's an omnidirectional mic, which means I can keep it in any direction and still get good quality audio, but this is probably the most desired one. So let's shoot some video where I speak into this microphone and let Aditya, will you carry the gimbal, move around so that I can speak into the camera. Okay, so now Aditya has the phone, I have the microphone, and Aditya can go wherever he wants, record me from whatever distance that he wishes to, and still I will be able to record my audio with the same level of accuracy and quality. Well, if I was to do that using the camera's on microphone, well, the distance would have really mattered. Now, Aditya, what you can do is just move a little away, frame me from different distances. Right. Aditya is now almost 30 feet away from me. Well, I am almost invisible in this mobile phone camera, but my sound can be heard crystal clear. You want to go a little more further away? Okay, so Aditya is almost 100 feet away from me and he is walking towards me. Well, as you can see, there is no difference in the quality of the sound. Let me walk towards him instead. And we will meet somewhere in midway, and that's right. So I'm speaking throughout, and there I am. Amazing technology for you. The audio is still in this device. This device has been recording the audio continuously throughout our video. And at the end of the session, say end session, there is a menu item here. Press that, and then you are ready to sync this audio with this audio, which is done automatically. Bring these two devices together, close to each other, and it will ask you to clear memory or synchronize memory. Press on synchronize memory, wait till the synchronization is done. It will automatically pick up relevant video and sync it seamlessly with the high quality 16-bit audio from this device. Now, it can also record audio only. I don't really know who needs that. Maybe some journalist who wants to take audio notes, they might require it. But unfortunately, at this point, you cannot share that audio file with an outside world or an outside device. Though it shows share icon here on the right hand side top, but it's currently is inactivated. Probably that means that that function will happen soon, which means I can be shooting with this high quality DSLR or any other video and use this to record audio, and you can sync it in post. Well, currently you don't have that option available. So the work around is that now what I'm doing now is that, well, you must be really wondering why the DSLR is sounding so good without a remote audio device, is that I'm actually recording audio using this device. What I'm going to do is once it is done, I'm going to use the earphone jack and get the audio out. And that audio will definitely be better than the audio the in-camera mic records in the DSLR. Wow. We are right under the flight path, of Pune Airport. So that's a big one passing by. So the $1 million question. who's this for? It's for anyone who loves to do serious vlogging with your mobile phone. Well, of course, this can be, with a little bit of workaround, this audio can be used also for a DSLR user. But mind you, it is really for a serious user because this device is not exactly cheap. Talking about cost, if you are really serious, well, we have some good news for you. We have added a purchase link and a coupon code exclusively for you. If you're serious and if you're interested in buying, use this coupon code, use the link in the description and get a 15% discount on your purchase. How about that? And if you're serious about learning mobile phone photography or any kind of photography, well, we have a good news for you. We now have pixelvillage.com, where we have put together some of the finest photography mentors in India just for you. Go to our website, sign up and subscribe to the class of your choice. Bye for now.